Hi guys, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Mira Forex and I'm back again with another video. So today guys, today is Saturday and I want to take you guys along my day, and today I have a few things to do. But first of all, I'm going to be exercising. Yes, to always keep your body fit. Do not make excuses, okay? So today I'm going to be exercising and I'm going to be doing some chores, and after some chores I will be doing my should I say my continuous study, that's deep work, because something I found out is that the rush of trying to make money will make you not to calm down and take things bit by bit. But once you start taking trading as a business, it will start paying you as one. Okay, so trying to stay within the frequency and always trying to do what to should I say have the proper mindset towards while you're taking a trade, and that comes with building your both body, mind and soul. So we're going to be exercising this morning, and after that chores we'll study, then after studying we can go along my day with other stuff I want to do. And yes guys, please do well to follow my Instagram page if you have not started following my Instagram page, where I post some of my pre-analysis and also post some of my trades. Okay, so do well to follow me do well to follow me at Mira Doppel on my IG. And yes guys, let's just get done with the things we have to do today. All right, come along with me
and let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 2, 1, let's go. Nice deep breaths. We're not going to think anything else apart from those affirmations. I am determined, I am strong, I can do this, I am awesome. Whatever comes into your mind from all of the affirmations you did up until today, say over and over. Good stuff. We have 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Yes, well done. Relax. Rest. Shake out those legs, and our neck stretches. We're determined to win. Let's do this. Okay, so next up we have 1, 2, 3, 4. You got it, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ready for 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16.
We just finished the workout. Now I'm just gonna go freshen up, do some of the chores, and get back to studying. Always keep it. Because of the transformer in my side is bad, the water isn't rushing upstairs, so I'm going to be going downstairs to the water to wash. Hello, welcome to this day in the life. I just finished bathing and my battery battery is going down, so I want to go charge my battery and my laptop as well. Then when I come back, I will do my Bible study while waiting for my gadgets to charge. So after I get my gadgets, I can just do my studying. Then after studying, if I have any other chores, I can get them done as well. So right now I'm getting ready to go log my laptop. So this is what the bed is wearing for Saturday. Like constantly I started falling in love with white. Like my wardrobe is gonna be chrome colors. Like my apartment is gonna be chrome colors, brown, black, white. Like everything black, everything brown, everything gray. Yes, I don't want videos. I wouldn't like videos in my apartment. And my dog is gonna be like, I think, which type of dog do I want? Golden retriever. No, I just want a tiny thing. So I like talking too much. Let's just go. Look. Alright guys, yeah, I'm back from getting my phone and my laptop. Yeah, I had a little bit nap, and now I'm gonna just continue my studies. And yeah, so I'm just gonna set the camera up here. It's quite late right now. What's the time? Okay, this 18 angel number. This is 6 o'clock already, and I'm not yet done with my goals. It's remaining one, which is read, mindset to read. So the book I'm currently reading now is 15 laws, 15 invaluable laws of growth. I know a lot of you have been recommending, should I say, trading book for me, but I haven't gotten my hand in one, and I would appreciate it if you guys have PDF as well. You guys can send me. And yeah, actually why I'm reading this is because should I say, I'm so much interested in growth, because like I just want to be a different person. Okay, like building myself mentally, because I believe that someone can be, let's say, more beautiful, okay, when they have something upstairs. And in order for you to be able to do something, you have to be somebody that is in that level of growth. That's, if you want to be achieving goals, you can actually be hitting goals but you're not growing. But when you grow, you can actually be hitting goals. You can always be hitting goals, because most times it's not about you achieving what you want to be. It's just the person you will be at the end of the whole thing. That, like, I'm just so interested in, like, trying to see myself in a whole new dimension. Like, I feel like something is missing. Like, I just feel like there's a void in me that needs to fill in, like, in growth aspects. Yeah, because one thing is that most times we might assume that growth is something that happens naturally, but no. If you want to grow in spirituality, you have to invest in your spiritual aspects. If you want to grow in mentality, you have to invest in mental aspects. If you want to grow physically, like, all these growths, like, they are individually different. You get? And one thing in about growth is that if you want to change your life and you can't stop something you do every day, you're not ready to change. So it's not like reading is something that I like doing every time, but it's just something that comes out of it that I love so much. You get? Trying to have perspective, different mindsets, and like different things, like intuition of how something works or how to relate and other stuff. So I'm just going to do my reading, then I'm going to be ending the video here. So guys, it's hot, so that will be the last one I'm going to mark in my goals today. Let me show you guys. As you can see, yesterday I smashed my first goal, so today now I'm gonna smash this as well. So peace.